Another strategy that you can use this is wait for a candle close na lalabas yung red. So example, bumili ka dito once the green appears and then i-close mo siya if the red appears. Okay, kasi trending naman din siya. So para siyang pwede, you can actually like a analogy wise, you can use this like an EMA cross. 5-minute to 20-minute EMA cross. Kung nag-cross, then you sell. Kasi trending strategy. Okay? Trending strategy siya. Swing strategy kasi itong indicator. So now, you know now how to use the gold indicator. Practicein nyo na lang. Again, execute in one direction only ha. Mas maganda nakabias ka. Kung kaya mo niyan ang bias mo, daily better. Okay? Kung kaya mo talaga, daily yung bias mo, better. Maghanap ka ng bias mo for the day. Kung bias mo pang day, lahat ng buy, bili mo for the day. Huwag ka magsasell. Mas maganda yung ganon na action.